Love is an experience that we all must go through. Whether we come out on the other side, only one will tell. Through time and exploration, I find myself somewhere in between. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. With all the sound of my love, with all the sound of my love, crashing down, these are the sounds of my love, crashing down. Sometimes I see what's in front of me, but I choose to go the other way, far away from my love. These are the sounds of my love, crashing down and down, like waves crashing up against the shore. I want more.